So when we were riding yesterday, he had a little bit of a shake on the wheels. By looking at the wheels on my Ryker yesterday, Jason realized that his wheels have no weights on them. Even know if it was from factory came like that because you bought it used. You don't even know if the previous owner had an issue or something with the tires. But the rear does, but the front doesn't. So we're gonna take the wheels off and take them to get balanced, and that should fix the shake on it. And then he ordered the RLS, what is it, Stealth, you said? Stealth, yes, the RLS Stealth. He just got this in today, so we're gonna install that once we figure out the tires. So you gotta stick something through there, here. You put it through there, so like that, when you're trying to break the nut loose, the tire doesn't spin. There we go. No weights at all on this wheel, so I wonder if it came like that. All right, so both wheels got a fresh pair of weights on them already. And this has a fresh pair here. That's it. We're just gonna bring it down and tighten the wheels up. RLS, Jason's about to make some noise out on the street. That guy right there. I'm sure it's gonna sound amazing. So you gotta reverse the bolt, drop it, tighten it.